What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Ruben out here today with Captain Darren, or Captain Darrell. We got Magnolia Grown in the house. What's up, Jesse?
What's up, guys?
All right, so real soon y'all gonna be able to find this beautiful boat on Up Above Adventures website. You want to book a trip, go to that website, hit us up. We'll get you on this fine vessel. Today we're gonna be targeting some reds, some specks. Not gonna share away from the flounder. If they're gonna be out there, they're gonna be out there. We'll hook up, catch and release only those guys. We can't keep them. But it's a little windy this morning. It's right before sunrise. We're gonna get out there, we're gonna get on them. If you do want to book this boat and it's not on the website yet, go in the description section of this video. All my contact information is there. You can hit me up and we'll get you out here with Darren. But stay tuned, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. So how do you fish the birds on the boat? What did you just say?
All right, so what we're gonna do, there's a big group of birds working back here behind the boat. We're gonna run around, we're gonna run up on these birds. We're gonna be just off the birds, floating into them. We're gonna throw these popping corks as far into these birds as we can and just work that popping cork. I mean, it should be within seconds of your bait hitting the water, you're hooked up.
I'm like, so shallow.
Is there actually a dolphin?
Yeah, turn around, keep watching. By that crab trap, he's gonna come up. He's going left to right. I mean, right to left.
I thought you.
I mean, it's not deep at all here. Oh, I'm down. Dolphin watching. Somebody picked it up.
Hardhead. That's a speck.
No, it's a flatty.
Oh, it actually is a flat.
And that's a dolphin. You don't believe me at all.
No.
Yeah, told y'all to get it flounder today.
The popping cork?
Yeah, well the leader's long enough. It's on bottom. It's dragging on bottom. The little guy. But he's my guy.
My guy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. That little baby.
Captain, a normal.
He gone.
There's a net behind you. Nice one.
Okay. Black drum.
Look at the baby. Get the baby.
He got him on the chin.
Baby. Mom texted me yesterday. She was like, "Hey, are you working tomorrow?" I said, "Oh, that's not reasonable."
Oh, there we go.
And
dang, this is a dark one.
yeah.
Dark black drum.
Dang.
Look at that guy. Look how dark that guy is. Good Lord. Look like an oyster that was swimming.
That's what I was thinking.
A swimming oyster right there. You got him? Hooking up. Look at Jesse Pot looked at me. He saw me catch that dark black drum. He wanted to catch a darker one. Get him in the boat. That's what she said.
It's a small one and it's pulling drag?
Cinematic.
Bigger one.
Sheephead? Black drum. Black drum.
Sheephead.
Is it? Sheepy?
Yeah, sheephead.
Get him in the boat. What is he doing out here? What you doing out here, sheepy? Hey,
that might be illegal sheep.
it might be. That's what I was thinking. Just barely made 15 inches.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo, he picked it up. He smoked that one. Yeah, baby. Hopefully it's a little bigger sheephead. We'll see.
Even recorded.
It might be a black drum. He smoked it though.
Running like a red.
Oh yeah, it's a red. Dang it.
Hey, he's close to the keeper.
Ah, man, he smoked it. I thought it was be a big. He's skinny, bro. You need to freaking eat better than that. Hold him up. Let's see. Let's see. That's pretty color. It's a pretty little boy right there. Skinny though. Golly. I don't think I've caught a skinnier red than that. Yeah. Almost.
18 and a half.
That's when you say, ooh, look at the pretty blue tail. When they're small like that. I just saw you throw in that cooler. You're a cheater, dog. If you throw them behind the cooler, they get bigger or what?
Yeah.
A lot of birds over there. A lot of birds. A lot of birds. A lot of birds. There they are. You're already down. You're already down. You're right on his head. That was good. That was a good shot. Right on him. Good size or no?
Oh, bullshit fish.
Little guy. That was a good shot though. Little speck. Oh, there you go. There's a speckler.
Little sparkle trout.
Hey, trout running. Let's get some trout in here. There we go. Yeah. Hopefully it's a nice red. Yeah. Oh, it's black drum on a spoon.
Black drum on a spoon.
It's a good one too. Keeper. Black drum on a spoon, baby. You. Oh, black drumming. Hold on for one more day. Look, he's happy for you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got him?
No, it went down, but
you missed.
the gun scared me.
Ah!
Swim it to me. Nice little red. Oh yeah, that's a slot.
Off the oysters.
Book your trips, guys. Come get off some of these fish.
That's a nice solid one. That's what we've been looking for. You're so quiet up here, just catching flounders and stuff. Look at that. Well, you know you weren't supposed to catch a flounder today. Jesse was.
Everybody else has caught a flounder.
Jesse?
Jesse.
Jesse? Jesse was wanting to catch a flounder today. He's doing something wrong. You got him? Yeah, you do. You got somebody?
Little one, little
Cheapy? Where's he at? Flounder! What? Get him, flounder! Get him on the boat! Get him on there! Boat flipper! Flip! 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 Oh, it's a good one, Jesse! Don't miss! Jesse! Well, guys, that's gonna do it today. You know what? I had a lot of fun today. Jesse, you have a good time?
Always great on the water, man.
Jesse got his flounder. That was the biggest flounder of the day.
Yeah.
So what do you wanted to catch this morning? What's up, Captain Darren?
Shoot, not much, man. It was a good day. Kind of rough, the moon phase, but you know, we got it done. Got some redfish from Sheep's Head, caught some undersized trout. Tough fight today, you know, with that moon phase, it really kind of throws it off a little bit, especially with this tide ripping out all day. We've got a high tide all week, like over a foot high. It's just been kind of tough pickings, you know, but we ended up finding some fish, so that was good.
So remember, if you want to hook up with Darren, let me know. Go to upaboveadventures.com. If he's not on there yet, because this might be a fresh video, if he's not on there yet, hit me up. All my information is in the description section, emails, Facebook, Instagram, doesn't matter how you want to connect with me, and I'll hook you up and get you on board with Darren. Beautiful boat. What kind of boat is this?
A 25-foot Haney Magnum. We got a 400 Mercury on the back of it, so there's pretty much nobody's gonna beat us to the spot.
That's it. Super dry. I mean, we were at 2-3 foot swells, 20, about, you know, probably gusting in the 20s this morning, and
40 mile an hour.
I had like barely any mist on my sunglasses. Super dry boat. I was really surprised. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. All that stuff really helps out a lot. Don't forget to check out Magnolia Grown, local artist. He's the man.